Hey, what's up guys, Xenograde here, back again with a new solution. So for a while I've been having this issue where Premiere Pro would crash on my laptop without any reason. Suppose if I'm working on a project on my desktop PC and then I have to shift that to laptop, and then when I run Premiere Pro on my laptop on the same project, my laptop would crash. While my laptop actually has better specs than my PC, I mean my desktop PC. So I thought my laptop hardware was faulty or something, and also I tried many other solutions that I could think of, like reinstalling Premiere Pro. I also tried using different editing softwares like DaVinci Resolve, Filmora and stuff like that. And guess what? All of the editing softwares were crashing for no reason. So I finally found out the solution for that, and in this video I'm gonna share that. Now I'm gonna say that this might or might not be the issue on your laptop because your hardware might still be faulty, or maybe your software might have some issues, bugs or something like that, or installation problem, or your Windows might not have the actual drivers and stuff needed for that software and stuff like that. So definitely this is an optional solution, but this might be the solution for you. So I definitely recommend trying this, and before we begin I want to say that this solution is only for NVIDIA GPU users. Now I will definitely put a link for a solution for the AMD GPU users, but I think AMD GPU users don't have this issue. So let's get into it. So first of all, you want to install the drivers of your NVIDIA GPU on your laptop. Now I am using a Asus TUF A15 here, and the specification of the laptop is Ryzen 7 4800H and a RTX 3050 Ti. So after making sure you have all the drivers and stuff installed on your PC, you want to right click on your desktop and go to NVIDIA control panel. Now it's quite easy and simple. By the way, I am using Windows 11, but it will be the same for almost any Windows. So from here, you want to go to your program settings and make sure that Adobe Premiere Pro is using the high performance NVIDIA processor. After selecting that, you have to hit apply. By the way, if you see that I have global settings of NVIDIA processor for my laptop. Now I usually use it for editing and gaming, so I thought that there's no use for me for the integrated GPU. So I just selected it on the global settings. Now you can do that if you just use your laptop for high performance use, but if you want battery backup, this is not recommended. So after that, hit apply and then close this. Okay, so after that you have to go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Then go to drivers. Now you want to check which driver you have installed, not the version. The thing is, NVIDIA has two drivers for each GPUs. So one is the game ready driver and another is the studio driver. Now if you want to use creativity softwares like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Photoshop or stuff like that, you have to have the studio driver. Because for some reason game ready driver isn't capable of running those softwares. So I have no idea how that works, but when I found out that this is the simple solution to the big problem that I was having, I was really shocked. So you have to click the three dot option, or more you can say. Okay, sorry, not this one, this one. So after that you have to select the studio driver. GeForce Experience will give you the option to download it, and you have to download and let it install. And that's pretty much all the things that you have to do. So if it was a driver issue, then well, here's your fix. Now I hope this will fix your issue, but if it doesn't, feel free to comment it on the comment box definitely. And also check the description box if you're using an AMD GPU. And well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped. And also please consider subscribing to the channel, as it will mean a lot to me. Thanks, bye.